Most people are still using old school marketing, meanwhile AI is generating them qualified leads and filling the calendars. That means AI is boosting their profits and turning their calendars into a money making printing machine. Okay, so right now in today's video I'll be breaking down how to generate leads with AI. You can see on the board I have created a wealth value pack, and I can't wait for you to watch to the ending of the video and see how AI is going to help you reinstate your business into a qualified machine. Okay, so right now we're breaking down why you need AI in this era right away. In fact, AI right now is the best opportunity that is given to anyone out there. So let's go on how AI could actually help us generate leads right now. Okay, now you'll be probably wondering, what is this guy saying? How does AI generate me more leads in your business? Now you see, you have something that attracts, whether you're selling a product or you're running a service, right? If you're running a service-based business, maybe you have something that attracts someone. Okay, let's say for an example, I'm hungry, right? And I see an apple. That apple attracts me. Maybe the apple could be maybe the service you're running or the product you're actually selling. So right now, a lot of you do not know the kind of goal that is being situated in this era. And the best transit for you is to actually transit into AI space. Is to actually transit into the AI space whereby you allow AI to help you reinvent the system, not allowing AI to replace the whole team. Like I've said, this system doesn't mean it's going to replace your whole team. No, but it's actually going to revenge the win for you and your team. Okay, so moving forward, what am I talking about is AI can run targeted ads and social media posts or content that attracts the right audience. Now, what AI means is that AI is going to use data to find people who are actually in need of your service. Okay, now let's say before you were actually blind or black, whereby you launch maybe a product or you have a service you are currently running and nobody's actually seeing that service. You have an AI that, what if you have an AI that can target the exact people who are actually looking for your service or looking for your product, and that's what AI does. Now AI can run targeted ads, run social media posts or content if you are not actually consistent, because I think in the human nature intensity is not actually something that's more consistent with us. So right now AI has more intensity, but we have our human has intensity. Okay, but AI has intensity that is consistent, not up to the level of a human. Okay, so right now I'm going to be showing you. You'll currently be wondering, or how do I run ads without showing my face? Now you don't actually need to show your face when you're doing this. I can easily show you the tools that we are currently using at our business. So here is Creatify AI and Jog AI. Now these are tools that helps you create UGC videos, for example user generated content. Okay, now what this means is that they're going to build a human alike people who are talking about your service or either your product. So that's why I'm saying that this is the best opportunity right now for you. So you can easily go to Creatify on Google and ask Creatify to create you human like the avatars. Now you can see that this guy is in the gym and is currently wearing a gym shirt. This guy is not actually real. He was built by Creatify. This guy was actually built by AI. Now what we need to do is to feed this guy your service you're running. If you're running any service or a product. Now just imagine if it was a fitness coach or you're running a gym, a fitness gym service. Now you might, okay, you don't want to come out, you don't want to use your face. This guy can actually be there to help you. All you need to do is to give this guy the scripts you normally use in your business. Now this makes it easier for you not to hire human who you pay $6,000 to $7,000 for them to stand, because this is more about time. Now AI helps you in that part. Now AI has speed. So the second tool leads me to Jog AI. Now this is a woman, and she was talking about the businesses. She was talking about Leak Agency. This is my AI information agency. Okay, so basically what she was saying is how real estate agent can qualify more leads. Okay, so right now she was made by Jog AI, so you could see the watermark by Jog AI. All you need to do is to go to Google and just search on Jog AI, and Jog AI allows you to create more than 100 or 1000 UGC videos like this who are talking about your product. Okay, and this is actually cheap, very very cheap than actually hiring someone to actually do this for you. Okay, so this step is where I actually teach you how can AI actually reinvent my whacked script. Okay, now this is it. We always say the same thing, like everyone else is always saying your leads scroll past you, because why? You're always spamming, right? You're always saying what others are actually saying. Now what if I can tell you that AI makes it more personal for you? Okay, so now here is why AI tools flip the game. You see, AI doesn't just rewrite scripts, it studies your audience, their tone, your best client, and makes every time sound like you, but 10 times sharper. Okay, that is what AI brings to the table. Okay, AI doesn't spam. It depends on what instruction that's given to this AI to actually act by art. So but right now you can actually use AI to make more value for your business. Yeah, so most people do use these tools for clickbaiting and stuff, but it's actually fine to clickbait if your product is actually working. Okay, so right now I'm going to be showing you the kind of tools you should be using right now. Okay, so here are the three tools that can be used. Now we have copy AI for writing ads or for writing scripts for your content or your ads or for maybe your YouTube video. We have cloud AI. Secondly, one of the 10 times sharper than ChatGPT. I recommend you should use cloud rather than ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT is my last option, though ChatGPT is very accurate, but every AI has where it gives their 100%. So I will suggest you go to copy AI or cloud and use them to write well reinvented scripts, because that is what we use in our agency for our clients, whereby we check their scripts or their ads and see the scripts they are using, and we tell AI to reinvent this script and make it more 10 times sharper for them. Okay, so the next one leaves us to the next one leads us to form. Now this is where it's very very crucial and very very important for us, because right now we build landing pages for these businesses right away. So we do smart landing pages that collect their phone number, their email, sorry, their phone number. Now what it means is that AI is going to give an instant response whenever a lead sign up. Okay, right now we can actually make this landing page very very simple, whereby we use maybe their video on the landing page telling them to book a demo with the company. So what we do is we allow them not to fill too much form, because filling too much form is an error and it's also a red flag for businesses. You do not want to have too many blogs filling too many forms, because that's the number one thing that makes it tough for businesses to actually know the kind of service you're going to deliver or a value you're going to deliver. So what we do is our form requires only 3 blocks: their name, their phone number, and their email. That is the most important thing. Now once they submit their phone number and their email, we have an AI qualification process going on the back end of the landing page. So once an email or a phone number, because this is the 2 variables that are needed for our AI agent to qualify these leads. Okay, once we have the phone number submitted, we have an AI agent that's going to send an outbound call. Okay, because the user submitted their phone number, the AI is going to qualify based on what this user wants, maybe what the user have watched from your ad, and trying to make it personal for them. Okay, so basically what most people don't understand, that the most important thing about the AI system is the qualification process, because once your qualification process is very good, you are going to get 10 times more leads qualified into your calendar. So what our AI does is our AI helps the backend team, which is this guy, maybe it could be your team. Okay, this AI is instantly going to reply to them because of due to what they have seen in landing page, like I told you again in the video. Now once the AI sees them, the AI is going to call them, personalize the questions, qualify them, and send them to a calendar. Okay, whereby you and your team are actually going to reach out to each other. Okay, now when it's done, AI is going to ask questions like, are you looking to buy or sell a property? Because now this is real estate instance I'm just talking about. What's their budget? Then it filters out the real prospect from the cold leads. Then the next thing the AI does is to book appointment. So once the lead is qualified, the AI automatically books a meeting on your calendar without a human back and forth. So this works 24/7. And the last thing is, we want this system to actually either make the user book or die with our lead. So whereby we use AI to follow up these leads with like a reminder messages until the lead becomes a paying client. So that is the end of the system we're talking about. So right now, if you want the system implemented in your business, please upload my email in the description. All you need to do is reach out to me on my email, and I'll show you how AI can actually turn your system into a money making machine. Okay, and right now I also drop my Instagram link in the description below. Just message me qualification, and I will send you exact AI system that's working for businesses that who are generating more money. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.